Goody day, namaskara and welcome to my channel. So guys, today we'll be brainstorming on moisturizers that is available in the market and which moisturizer will suit you. I'm not telling about the brands or products that is going to suit you. Rather, I'm going to differentiate between the kinds of moisturizer and you are going to choose your own moisturizer that is going to suit your own skin. Guys, before getting into the video, I've just make it very clear to the men who are all getting it wrong that this product is not used as a beauty product or not used as a makeup based product. It is just a product that is used to hydrate your skin, make your skin feel moist, that's all. So it is not a women kind of product, it is also a men product. So you can just give it a try. I'm sure you'll not get disappointed. So there are three kinds of moisturizers especially that is available in market that is classified based on consistency, texture, absorbency and whatnot. So to give you a quick intro, the first and foremost is a body lotion and I have experimented its properties using a Good Vibes Tea Tree Intense Hydration Body Lotion. The second one is a moisturizing body cream and I have experimented its properties using Nivea Soft Vitamin E Light Moisturizer. The last classification is a body butter and I think it's my favorite of all, and I have used Pink Lotus body butter from Body Cupid brand to experiment it. Guys, I like all the moisturizers that I have experimented and it is not a paid promotion. So you're going to decide which is going to best suit you. I have linked all the links in the description box and after the video is over you can pick one for yourself. Body lotion contains highest amount of water content in it and hydrates the skin instantly. The ingredient list will have purified water as its dominating ingredient. Next we have with us is a body cream and it feels super creamy while applying on the skin, and I can't just tell you how it hydrates the skin in a better way compared to body lotion because it contains a 50% of water and 50% of oil composition. Body butter will give you the best hydration effect of all the other moisturizers because of the presence of shea butter and cocoa butter dominating in their ingredient list. They also contain essential oils and carrier oils in order to gel these buttery substances well into the skin. While applying this moisturizer, it literally feels like applying butter on the skin. Because of the highest amount of water content, body lotion gets absorbed easily and you need not give an extra effort to get itself absorbed into the skin. On the other hand, an extra effort is needed to get the cream into the skin because of the oils present in it. Guys, body butters don't absorb into the skin easily. You have to massage it forever to make it penetrate into the skin. So instead of that, you have to just moist the skin or take a shower and then come apply it so that it will be easy for you. Since oily or combination skin type people need not have highest amount of hydration, it is better for you to use body lotion compared to all the other moisturizers. But for dry skin, if you use this, I think you'll have to reapply it 5 to 6 times per day. Dry skin people, please choose a product which contains oil in it because it hydrates and moisturizes your skin better way. And yes, creams you can use it, but you have to apply it 2 to 3 times a day because it contains water and also oil in an equal proportion. Oily skin people, please stay away from this product called body butter because it actually contains lots of oil, so it will actually clog the pores present on your skin. Guys, before ending the video, I have to just make sure to share two important key points with you. One is that men are allowed to use moisturizers and men have to use experience moisturizers. And the next one is that you're not allowed to use moisturizers, that is body moisturizers on the face, because your body tissues are way different from facial tissues and they are liable to have breakouts. So please be very careful. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and keep the bell icon plus for notifications. Keep coming back to this channel for more such beautiful videos. Until then, with regards, Manu. Bye. Because it contains only water and gets our needed to get the cream into our hand, into our skin. Cocoa butter, it gives you the best. Next, on the other hand, we have body butter.